This is a one-bedroom ocean view suite at Santuary Capa Cana. As you enter, it's a little seating area with the table. Beautiful view to outside. Little empty area. There's a little coffee bar, an espresso machine, waters. And then in here we do have a mini fridge, which is stocked with water, soda, and beer. And there is a step down into your living area, which has a nice big mirror and a glass table. I suppose you could sit and work. And a little seating area to the left. But what's very nice is the view. So there is a slider that takes us out to the balcony, which has a little seating area with a table. And if you go out a little further, there's a wooden deck with 2 chairs. And as you can see, a quite beautiful view of the ocean. You're kind of close to your neighbor. I'm gonna head into the bedroom, which is a nice big size. There's plenty of space. This looks like a slider over here, but it's actually just a big picture window, which again shows you the outside. 2 bedside tables, king size bed. Nice size walk-in closet. Which has shelving, safe for valuables. Ironing board and iron, robe, extra pillows. And then if we walk out and go to our left, we have the bathroom, which has a double sink, makeup mirror, and then the shower, which is a very nice large shower, rainfall shower. And then this door shows us the water closet. Okay, so again, Santuary Capa Cana. This is the luxury ocean view suite.